We're gonna do a little brief install video of a cold air intake. Let's get into it. This is just to show you guys can put this together. Pretty self-explanatory. Putting the rubber garments underneath here. You got your bolts, obviously, which you're gonna go underneath. See the bracket, it's underneath. And you're gonna install your cushion, I would call it. But either way, now we're gonna go ahead and take out the stock intake. First thing we're gonna do is pop this off. I like to stick it right there. Do what you want. Pop this hose off. Squeeze on the side. Not too bad. Pop that out. Go underneath here. 2 hands right here. Yank. And now you're gonna just lift it up like that. All right, so you're gonna need a 7mm. On a swivel, it helps a little bit because you gotta get this clamp back here. All right, don't drop the socket or the clamp. Sorry guys, we're gonna put this here. All right guys, make sure it's in there pretty nice, not too shabby. All right, let's get this cold air intake on. Slips on pretty easy. I feel like it was on. Got an 8mm socket. Nice and tight. All right, next up we have this piece. Just gonna set this there. And then put your vacuum line on this. There we go. And now we're gonna run it through this little small hole right here. Put it through this hole over here. And then we have this filter right here. And let me get a flathead and screw that down. Nothing too crazy on that. All right, it's plugged in. That is it.